Hey, it's Sarah with WTI. You looking for the perfect pair of sunglasses? I got you covered. This is the pair that you want to get. These are the reasons why you're absolutely going to love these sunglasses. They work great. If you live in a warm climate like me, you're going to want to get yourself a pair of these. These are UV 400 translucent polarized mirrored lenses with a block of UVB and UVA rays, eliminating glare and protecting your eyes perfectly. The best part about these glasses that I absolutely love is not only the craftsmanship and the quality, they also come in various colors and transparency. When I wear these sunglasses, I feel stylish and confident. Depending upon your preference, they also come in various colors. This is the standard black, and this is a gray with a polarized blue lens. You're going to want to get yourself a pair of these, but that's just my point of view.